Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I created this beautiful eye look. I did a double cut crease purple because I'm wearing a purple shirt that says made of glitter because I am made of glitter. We used purple colors to match my shirt because I like matching my shirts to my eye look. If you want to see how I created this eye look, keep watching. Today we're doing another makeup look. I'm wearing a purple outfit today, so we're going to do a purple look. We're going to go in with your Cutie palette from ColourPop. Look how gorgeous the shades are. A couple purples here, so we're going to use the purples and probably pop into that pink to blend. And then I'm also in a glittery mood. We're going to use one of these. I am not sure what this palette is called. It's one of the curated ColourPop palettes. Looks like this. I'm going to start by going in with the Milk Makeup. This is the Grip Eye Primer. Typically use this. I've been using this every day, except if I do like a bright look. Then I use my Tarte Concealer. I just dab up my ring finger here. This finger applies the lightest pressure, which is what we want because it's our eye, and our eye needs extra love. The eye primer is on. We'll start out with the e.l.f. Defining Eye Brush. And it has this little point, which is going to help us create a good eye look. So I'm going to try to do double creases, I think. We're going to start with the shade Heart Eyes. Putting product on the edge of my brush here. And I'm just going to simply just tap on the outside here. I'm just going to fill in the outside parts here. And of course we're still using these tapping motions. Move the brush to the other side so that way I can get over here and try to get like a good crease going over here. I'm just going to keep tapping. This will help the transition from one shade to another, because that's what we want. We want a seamless transition. Flare up them too. We're going to use the shade Love Notes, which is the light purple shade. I'm just taking it on one of these flat eyeshadow brushes. I'm not sure where this came from. I got this at Marshall's. There's no brand name on it. So I'm just applying this right above the purple. The dark purple, I should say. I'm taking the light purple up on this side a little bit more than I am on the rest of the eye. Go back in with that dark purple and just add some to the corner here, so that way it looks like there's a transition of colors. And I'm just kind of flinging product. We're using the ColourPop E1 brush, and I'm going to go in with the Pink Angel face shade, and we're just tapping that on the edge of the brush here. And I'm just going to go in and go above that purple that we just put. I know right now it looks crazy, but it'll be okay. And then I'm just going to wipe off the brush a little bit and try to do small swirlies on the eyelid just to blend everything together in a more seamless. So obviously it looks crazy right now. I'm going to do the other eye quick. This eye, I have it go all the way down here, and then this eye I didn't. But the reason I did that on the side is because we're actually going to cut that off, but I didn't decide that until after. We're just going to use some Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade 8B, Porcelain Beige. The ColourPop E4 brush is just a flat brush. I use this for concealer all the time. We're going to cut the crease a little differently And normally we aren't gonna do like a regular cut crease. We're actually gonna cut the crease. I'm gonna make like a wing. Kind of like smoothing down everything. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Lover from the palette. And I'm using that bird brush, I don't know where it came from. And I'm just going to apply this right over here on my eyelid. We're just going to kind of cut the crease with this color. I'm just tapping where it goes. If you want a more in-depth tutorial on how I do the cut crease, please let me know. I kind of just do it then. I'm like, I probably should show them more of how I do that, more detail on how to cut the creases. And I'm going all the way until we hit that line, and then I'm just going to stop. Go back into concealer, fix up that spot of pink. Here is the eye look right now. I'm going to do the other eye so that way both eyes match. Right now, this is probably the craziest I've looked on this channel. We'll fix her up. So now I'm going to go in with a couple of shades. First, we're going to go in with the shade Love Me. We might actually have to use our finger for this. Alright, so there's that shade. And we're just going to pat it right along the edge of where the concealer starts. Drastic color change here, so hence why we go from literally from a dark color to a light color. We're gonna go in with the shade Kiss Me, and we're just gonna put that on. We're gonna go in with the shade Candy Graham. We're just gonna whisk it right here. We got a nice little fade here. And I'm gonna take the concealer again, my straight wing here. So there's our triple crease right now, and now I'm going to go in with the glitter. I'm gonna go in with the shade I Know You Know, which is the purple glitter, and I'm just going to gently tap my finger on it. Where the concealer is tacky, it's gonna stick onto the tacky concealer. So I'm just going to gently tap where the concealer is. I'm gonna take the spoolie, wipe some of the glitters up, just because I don't want it too far down. And just make a straight line, brush the rest away. Here is the eye look. At the moment, I'm not sure if I'm gonna add liner. I guess we'll see. I'm trying to decide on what I want to do. We are back. My makeup is pretty much almost done. We are going to do the under eye, and I did add a slight little wing. I just couldn't not do a wing. I am very much one who loves a good wing, so I just added a little wing. Let's do the under eye. I'm gonna add the shade Heart Eyes to the outer corner. Tap it to the outer corner here. So I kind of took that like halfway through, and then I'm going to go in with the light purple, and we're gonna do that like half in the middle of the eye. I'm just gonna do like thirds, and I'm just pressing this color into my eye. And then the last color we're gonna go in is with that pink angel face. Right in the corner of the eye. Then I'm gonna go back in with the shade Love Note. So I'm just gonna apply some more purple and then go back in with the shade Heart Eyes and just add some more depth to the outer corner. Sometimes when we blend, it takes out the depth. The last thing we're going to do is take the E1 brush and we're going to go in with the shade Too Hot For You. And I'm just going to tap that on the edge of my brush and just slightly coat it. It's not super bold. I'm going to do the pop of color in the center of the eye. Go in with the shade Love Me. I'm going to actually use that on my finger here. Love Me, and then, yep, just pop it in this corner of your eyeball. And I'm going to take another doll whip. Just stamping it on, as you can see. Alright, then I'm going to take my finger as well, and then go into that same shade. And I'm going to do a little bit right below my eyebrow. Right on the eyebrow bone. Just a pop of color. So that way there's like a little something there, if you know what I mean. So that's how this eye is looking. I'm going to do the rest of makeup. This is the final finished look. This purple look. I also added the Rare Beauty Lip Souffle in the shade Daring. Makes the purple, in my opinion, pop out a little bit more. So that's hence why I used it. But this is the look that I created today. I hope you enjoyed creating something fun and something different. I wanted to do a double cut crease, and that is what we did. So I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you want to see a different kind of video or want me to do something else, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Be true, be you, be beautiful. Kelsey signing off.